Natural, healthier aquarium. Our gravel cleaner introduces healthy, natural bacteria that biologically eliminate excess fish waste, fish food, toxins, odors, and other organic wastes. This leads to cleaner, clearer water and a healthier fish tank. Extend your tank maintenance. Our professional-grade, non-chemical formula will extend the time between water changes and vacuum gravel cleanings by eliminating organic waste that accumulates in your aquarium. It also helps correct for overfeeding. Make your aquarium water fish safe. Our gravel cleaner not only improves water quality and clarity and minimizes odors, but also naturally reduces the buildup of toxic ammonia and nitrite as well as problem-causing nitrate and phosphate. Professional, easy, one-step application. Simply add 1 capful per 10 gallons to your saltwater or freshwater aquariums for cleaning. That's it, done. No messy accessories, tools or pump. Our 16 ounces bottle treats up to 960 gallons, now that's value. Use instructions. Shake well before using. Apply 1 capful, 5 milliliters per 10 gallons, 38 liters of aquarium water. Apply product weekly, and also directly after water changes and/or physical gravel cleanings. Top reviews from other countries. Miracle. I don't know how I never saw this before. I know my fish tank is small and I have 2 goldfish in there making a mess. I had to change water and clean and hoover gravel every single week. The glass would go green and brown in 4 days. And now this. I was waiting a week to give feedback to see how it will work. Cleaned the tank a week ago thoroughly and started using this one together with the water treatment, Interpet TapSafe Plus. Dropped a bit less than 3 milliliters for my 25 LT tank. Did the same halfway through the week as recommended and look today. No signs of waste or food or poop whatsoever. No need to clean anything. All it took was 2 minutes to rinse filters and that's it. Works a miracle and fish are happy.